The unpleasant odor coming from your toilet bowl will disappear immediately. You'll finally get rid of the smell from the drains once and for all. Here's what you need to do. Add a tablespoon of sugar to a bowl. Pour in warm, but not hot, water. Then take about half a block of fresh yeast, crumble it, and add it to the sugar water. Mix everything thoroughly. The yeast will dissolve, forming a milky mixture. This means the yeast is reacting with the sugar and is ready to use. Pour the mixture into the toilet bowl and leave it overnight, or at least for a few hours. Unlike chemical cleaning agents that may temporarily mask odors or damage pipes, yeast is a natural and safe solution. It works without harmful chemicals, supporting natural decomposition processes to eliminate the bad smell. After the set time, clean the toilet with a brush and flush. Your toilet will be clean and fresh. If you have dried yeast at home, it works just as well as fresh yeast. Simply follow the same steps, using an entire packet of dried yeast. This mixture will also remove the unpleasant odor. If the smell returns, simply repeat the process and pour yeast into the toilet again. Thanks to this trick, this dishwasher tablet gets a new purpose. First, grab a container of water to make pouring easier. Then take a plastic bottle with a dispenser for easy application. The key product here is a dishwasher tablet, known for its ability to remove dirt and residue effectively. Crush the tablet into small pieces using a hammer or pestle. Pour the prepared water into the plastic bottle, leaving some room at the top. Add the crushed tablet pieces to the bottle, seal it tightly, and wait for the tablet to dissolve. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. This cheap and simple solution can be used to clean your entire bathroom. Spray it on the toilet bowl and let it sit for a bit, allowing the mixture to break down dirt, limescale, and other residues. Then scrub the inside and wipe the rest with a paper towel. You can also use this mixture to clean the sink, as it effectively removes soap and water stains, leaving your bathroom spotless and streak-free. The toilet seat has hidden buttons. Thanks to them, you'll get rid of contaminants and those yellow urine stains. When you're tidying up the bathroom, cleaning the toilet seat is always problematic. Dirt accumulates not only on the seat itself, but also underneath it. In the area where the seat is attached to the toilet. Here, you can also see yellow stains, and this is a hard-to-reach area. You'll soon learn how to clean such a seat. The stains will disappear. Everything will be clean and disinfected. Cleaning the seat from time to time is easier under the shower or in the bathtub. Then you can easily clean it. You can even scrub the nooks and crannies underneath the seat. If we remove the seat, we can also clean the place where it attaches to the toilet. It's impossible to do this on a daily basis. Only after removing the seat will you notice how much dirt there is here. And if you also remove those metal covers, you'll be even more horrified. But how to remove a toilet seat? It turns out that every seat has buttons that allow you to do this. Depending on the type of toilet, these can be 2 separate buttons like here. Each one at a different attachment point. Sometimes it can be 1 button in the middle. See how easy it is to remove the seat when you press them. Now all you have to do is take it under the shower or into the bathtub. Dissolve a Corega tabs capsule in a bottle of water. It's the best product for cleaning yellow stains on the toilet seat. Corega tabs destroy bacteria, whiten, and remove discoloration. This is all your toilet seat needs. With this spray, you'll also clean the place where the seat attaches to the toilet. Just spray it and everything comes off. The toilet will shine. The yellow stains and dirt will disappear in a few minutes, and you'll enjoy a clean toilet. These blue discs in the toilet aren't just decoration. In a second, I'll show you a simple DIY trick that makes your cistern clean itself and smell fresh for weeks. Grab a pot and add some grated bar soap. Pour in your favorite dish soap. It cuts through grease and grime really well and helps lift buildup, leaving a clean, fresh scent. Next, squeeze in a bit of toothpaste. It contains ingredients that gently polish and leave everything super fresh. Now sprinkle in baking soda. It works like a natural scrub and helps remove stains, boosting the whole cleaning effect. Add about half a cup of water. Simmer on low heat and keep stirring. Once the soap melts, you'll get a smooth liquid mixture. Now grab an empty plastic bottle and cut off the top. Pour the mixture inside. Let it sit until it cools and sets. Then pop it out of the bottle and slice it into smaller, thicker discs. Take a face mask and cut one side open. Put one disc inside and tie it up. Hang it inside the cistern. Every time you flush, the water will release a beautiful fresh scent, and the inside of the cistern will be cleaned too. It's a cheap way to keep your toilet fresh and clean. One disc lasts about a month. Do you have yellow stains and lime scale in your toilet and nothing seems to work? This no-scrub toilet cleaning trick gets the job done in just a few minutes. Buildup from hard water forms quickly inside the bowl, and that's when stubborn discoloration appears that regular cleaners can't always remove. For this effective DIY mixture, I use only 2 things you probably already have at home. Grab a piping bag and add shaving foam. Shaving foam acts like a thick cleaning layer, clings to the surface, softens grime, and helps break down buildup. Then pour in a little Coca-Cola. It's a surprisingly useful product that can replace a lot of harsh chemical cleaners. Thanks to its acids, cola helps dissolve limescale and freshens the surface, so yellow stains and mineral deposits come off much more easily. Mix everything well until it's smooth and even. Cut the tip of the bag and apply the mixture directly under the rim of the toilet. Focus on the yellow stains. Let it sit for a moment so it can work. Then take a toilet brush and gently clean the entire surface. The mixture does most of the work for you. Finally, flush. The toilet looks shiny and fresh like new without using strong chemicals. The results last a long time. It's one of the best ways to remove limescale and yellow buildup from a toilet bowl. I regularly use a single clove of garlic in the toilet. I've been doing it for a long time, and it's the best method I know. Take an entire head of garlic and peel off the skins. Then slice a few cloves into thin strips. Garlic has a strong scent and natural properties that make it perfect for this task. Place the chopped garlic into a tall container. Pour in about half a cup of vinegar. It works as a natural solvent. Add a bit of plain water to dilute the mixture. Pour everything into a spray bottle and let it sit for at least 1 hour. During that time, the garlic will release everything it needs to work effectively. Before using the spray, toss a few slices of raw garlic directly into the toilet bowl. Leave them overnight, then simply flush. Spray the toilet bowl with the mixture, let it sit for a moment, and wipe with a dry cloth. The results are immediate, shiny clean and naturally disinfected. This homemade method saves money and helps the environment. Your toilet will never need expensive store-bought cleaners again.